Hello friends, welcome to backward channel jewelry collection. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may almighty keep you happy, keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet shirt designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design show to you people in it. All the designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my video. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion any videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my video and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs. It's popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video has a lovely design. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Will remember prayer and bye.